So in WordPress 3.3, some nice little changes have occurred. As you can see, when you menu down or you highlight your menu options, you get your sub pages. When before you'd have to click and then it would open like this, as it does now. But let me show you something that's really nice. That pretty much makes and has for a very long time made WordPress's menu structure completely obsolete. Go to plugins, go to add new, and type in OZH admin, search plugins, and the first thing that comes up is the Oz admin drop down menu. Oz, I believe it's Oz, but either way, I don't care how it's pronounced. I just care what it does. And immediately you'll see that you have a beautiful upper menu that frees up your screen. One of the things that I like to do right off the bat, and here's the settings for it. Click on the admin menu. I like to hide the speech bubbles, because unless you actually have plugins that need to be updated or comments that need to be taken care of, you'll have these little speech bubbles that say 0 up here all the time. So I like to turn those off. You can change the color of your menu. You can either just click right on it, as you can see it instantly changes, or if you want to, be a little bit more specific, pick a color that suits you. I occasionally change my colors for different sites, but to be honest, it's not that big of a deal. Just find something you like. Another thing too, if you ever work on your websites from a mobile phone, you'll find that using this menu system, you may have problems getting to these sub menus. Okay, you'll basically only be able to click on the top menu. You can fix that if you're actually going to work on your site from a mobile phone. By choosing this here. Okay, you uncheck this option to improve compatibility with browsers that cannot handle the hover event. Most handheld devices, iPads, iPhones, Android devices. If you turn this off, then instead of clicking on this, you'll only have the option to click on that upper menu from a phone. And that's just the way it works with WordPress. But I've actually found that if I'm on my mobile phone and I haven't done that, a little trick is to click on the plugins tab, go to the settings then on your phone, and now you can uncheck this box. Okay, I'm just telling you this because if you happen to be in that position and you want to be able to get to these sub-menu options on your mobile phone, well, you got to be able to turn this off. And you can do that by, on your phone, clicking plugins, clicking settings, and then unchecking this and saving changes, and now from your phone you'll be able to get to these options. Other than that, this is just a beautiful, honestly, I think that WordPress should already be this way. So I hope that's a nice little tip that you can make use of.